kief me skaffa. Die weer die maakt me para. Als ik een scope toe zie, ben ik gone, net als Tarzan. High up in the jungle, ben ready to rumble. Als zie uitgesloten, vandaag enkel green of purple. Dikke bril als Urbex.
Yeah. Back in the game, Norway rapping and the big biceps flexing. Yeah, Halle hallelujah. The big mountains of Mont de l'Enclume. And we are gonna visit that shit out. Mountains. Oh, rich as this neighborhood is so decadent. So decadent that they fucking named the houses here. Names like Beausite, the cute fishing catch, the Crown.
It's still winter here. It's still winter here in Belgium, so we have to dress her well. Look good into me eyes. Last time that you're gonna see them. Swag on fleek. Yeah. I'm gonna try to drive to the location on this way. You see, it's very standard. Very standard. Yeah. Yeah. So flexible. See him turn. Tripping around. You see, I got music too. Oh, DJ, give me some good music. Give me some international music, you know, not only French. Ah, du Joule. Du Joule, ça on aime tous, hein. J'avais raison même quand j'avais tort. Et Maître Gims. J'avais raison, le bolide est galère, mais s'il te plaît, rends-toi habillé. J'aime encore tes charmes, n'ira jamais. Jamais. Ma chérie, pour toi, ma chérie. Ma chérie, pour toi, ma chérie. Ma chérie, pour... The doors are open, so the ginger coming in. So welcome to this little abandoned hostel in the woods. The only thing is, everything is closed. You see? They ripped out the posts, the light post, a chair to chill. And here we got some substances. A barbecue, yeah. We know where to come this summer. Living stones. Feeling like a pirate, always searching for my chests. Living stone, yeah, put it on my chest. Give me some fresh water. Another water. Door closed, we do some parkour. So this is the chalet. Little workout. And the second building. Damn, I can still hear the sound. There's still electricity. Shit, this is not so abandoned at all. Villa Vogelsank. Vogelsank simply means bird sing. They didn't lie. Listen. They didn't lie. Every door is closed. Private. It's gonna be closed for sure. You never know. What the fuck? I mean, instructions. There is hope. I don't gonna check every closet. I got a minimum of respect. A ping pong table, yeah, that's my shit. Oh, toilet. Asterix and Obelix. A toilet. Villa Kluisbos. Beds, sheets. A telephone. Time to go upstairs. Mirror on the wall, here I go again, exploring, yeah. The urban man, the Urbex man. Coaches, gentlemen. Okay, so this is a sport hotel, a sport hostel. Big stars that came here. Another room. Closet, room. So if you need a place to crash, I got it. And the other side, no entry, probably for the ladies. And a bathroom. Oi. You can't see it, but it's the end of the floor here. The end of the ceiling. I'm Audi. Like you see the living proof. I'm no vandal. Never break something. You destroy the art. Okay. Don't break something, don't break anything by purpose. I'm just clumsy. Thank you for the exploration, man.